Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect TeraBox to your Telegram bot. So let's head over to the Telegram app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then just click on the search button. And from here in the search bar, just start typing TeraBox downloader. So from here, we have a few options, but we're going to choose this one with the green icon. Then just press on start. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily connect TeraBox on your Telegram bot. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!